Today we have one of my favorite pistols I've ever bought. It's the Walther PPQ M2 Q5 Match SF. That is a mouthful. That's a whole sentence. But of course, the SF stands for steel frame. This is the all steel version. The match, of course, is the match grade. So the PPQ series, this Q5, meaning 5-inch barrel. There's a Q4 as well. It's a 4-inch barrel. But man, this match grade pistol with the 2-stage trigger, all steel. I love it. It's very heavy, but you get no muzzle flip, no recoil on this thing, being all steel. Lower pick rail, nice adjustable sights. You can see on top. The ergonomics, it fits perfectly in the hand. It's an amazing gun. So let's take this thing down for cleaning. First thing we do is, if you're new to guns and you're not used to anything but the AR was intimidating to me when I first started. The AR has the nice simple takedown pins. This obviously does not have takedown pins. It's not an AR. The key finally that I put together is, you can see this. If you see any of those are takedown levers. So a lot of pistols will have the takedown lever. And of course, this is your slide stop. So you can use the slide stop. You can let the slide back. So for this, you take the slide stop all the way back. This takedown lever, you flip it all the way up like that, and then slowly let it back. And if any gun doesn't go forward like this, you're like, what happened? It's not going forward. It's the kind where you have to pull the trigger, and then it goes forward. So there's two styles. I've seen some that go forward all the way. Some that you have to pull the trigger. So here you go. There's the beautiful German craftsmanship. There's our lower assembly, all one beautiful piece of steel. So we'll set that aside. That's all you need to do. So your spring is going to have a lot of tension on it, so you want to be careful when you pull the spring up. It may have tension on it. That one actually didn't. And there's our barrel, which pops right up and back out. As you can see, because of the bull barrel bushings, it won't come through. So it comes out like that. Nice clean barrel. And there we go. One more beautiful piece of steel, ready to clean. And that's all we need to do to disassemble the PPQ M2 Q5 Match by Walther. Please like this video if it helped you at all.